Google Analytics allows you to define goals for your website and then tracks the conversion of these goals through visitor interaction. Thus, very important actions on the website can be tracked, like making payments, filling up of data, etc. The Conversion tab allows to track specific actions that visitors take on the website, such as filling up of a form, making a call, and so on. The Goals Overview section provides insight on the number of goals completed, the goal completion rate, goal value, abandonment rate, as well as metrics on individual goals set within Google Analytics. We also get data on the web pages through which the set goals were accomplished. Multi-channel funnel overview section tells us which channels have played a big role in goal conversion. We get to know the source of traffic that leads to maximum goal conversion. Multi-channel conversion visualizer is a great way to understand the impact of multiple channels on goal conversions. Knowing how to use goals with Google Analytics helps us prepare our marketing plan better and to allocate our marketing spends smarter.